Namaskar dosto, welcome back to the channel once again. Hope you are doing great as always. This is Practical Vishal signing in. And it's a new day, new life and a new learning. And today's topic of our video is distraction. So distraction is become a part of our life and part of a journey of this life. Without that distraction, the life is cannot be complete. And to achieve a success in your life, we have to overcome this distraction, isn't it? So if you really look in a deeper level, distraction really come into life to make uh, or create a barriers in your life. Suppose you have a XYZ goal in your life. What do you think if you have a 1 year goal that you have to achieve in a 1 year? You are going to accomplish it or going to be achieve it in a 1 year without any distraction? You think is that a possible? Not at all. Distraction has to become in your life and it will come in your life. Your attitude will decide how you overcome with those distractions that come in your life. And I have been shortlisted the three major and very major distraction that had to become in your life, and maximum in a maximum person life it will become in a definitely it come before you like exit in from this earth. I have chosen like top three distraction that must be everyone will be aware of it and had to be at some point of your life had to be overcome to it. So first distraction that definitely come in a maximum person's life, that is from addiction from like drugs and alcohol. It's really distract you from your goals and from your life, and it is one of the major distraction like from like also gone through some of the documentaries and a case study like they're like people wasted their half life into this kind of distractions. So it's really become a way one of the major distraction of our individual life, and some of them are like end up their story on the jail for like, and some of like hang up also in like. So it is one of the major distraction that every individual life face in our life. And second distraction that has to become in your life is a toxic relationship. And it the poison relationship with be can be formed with anyone. It can be your better half, or it can be your friends or relative, and you can be your business partner, anyone. The relationship we made in the initial period with the other person, we do not have any idea about his background. And when we involve with some activities with the other person that involves your energy or money, especially when money, so it's become very serious to choose a relationship. And toxic like relationship, like putting a step into the relationship, it's become very important. And become before investing your time and energy into it, it's become very important to know the person inside out. It it's really save a lot of time and your energy and money too if you get like shortlisted all the positive and negative factors about that other person. And let's move forward the third and the last distraction that everyone will be aware of it, and most of them you will be experience it, that is a distraction of your attraction to other person or opposite gender or opposite sex. If you're a boy, you must be at some point of your time must be attracted to girl, and if you're a female, you must be attracted to at some your point to a person or man. So it also mostly it's happen on your initial period of your life, like on your teenager, that you get distracted to opposite gender, and it's pretty natural. But it's at the same time it's become really very important to focus on your present and on your future goals. And this is the most in a some of cases more harmful distraction that really caused, that really wasted most of your time, energy and life. And some of them really end up with the suicide also in these distractions. So hope you like today's video. If yes, give a big thumbs up to it. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and let me know what are your major distraction in my comment section. And if you agree with me, please support this channel, and do not forget to share this video. This is the most necessary things. You must have to do it. If you watch this video this long, you cannot move forward like without the sharing it. And the procedure also I'll tell you to our sharing the video. Please share it to any to WhatsApp group, not more than that, not less than it, just a to WhatsApp group. Share it. So go and share it. What you're waiting for. This is Practical Vishal signing off.